So I want to share this idea on how to achieve a successful life and achieving a big goals. So marami sa atin, we are hungry for success or hungry to win. But few of us are hungry what winning or what requires to be a successful. So there's a big differences between hungry to win or hungry what to do or what winning requires. So marami sa atin may gustong gawin sa buhay, may dreams and goals, pero few people are only successful. Bakit? Kasi yung few people na yon is that they forget about the goals, they forget about the dreams. They are focused on the system. So it's a goal-oriented person or system-oriented person. So yung goal-oriented person is that puro lang siya goals. Like, I want to be successful. I want to have a lot of money. Pero on the other side, o sa system goals, I want to read a lot of books so that I can communicate well. I want to start a business and learn about the business to make a lot of money. Meron kasi big difference on achieving goals or making your dreams come true. So nga, totoo po yung dreams really do come true. So for me, kasi ako noon before 4 years ako since nag-start ako ng self-improvement based on kasi siya. Mas maganda kasi yung self-learning. Kasi recently, lahat ng mga kabatch ko is graduate ng college. Pero ako, I'm already dropped out of college since 2021. And marami sa kanila na nahihirapan maghanap ng trabaho or hindi sila matanggap-tanggap sa trabaho. Pero ako, wala akong degree. So, iba kasi yung people smart saka paper smart. Paper smart is that you have a degree. Kasi sa school kasi they don't teach you about life. They only teach you how to be an employee. So, di sila tinuturuan doon ng financial literacy or how to communicate well in the So I really hate school and college before. So nagtiis ako ng self-learning. Iba kasi yung mas natututo ka sa sarili mo kaysa natututo ka sa room. Ang tawag kasi doon is passive learning and active learning. So active learning, you test yourself, you reflect on what you want to learn or how can you learn, versus nakikinig ka lang dun sa school which is passive. So yun lang ang testimony ko na I have a lot of work experience and marami na rin akong achievements and goals. Marami na rin ako natupad na mga success. So ayun, marami sa kanila na they want a fancy car, home, or etc. Pero hindi nila pinag-aaralan kung paano or how yung meaning ng how or paano gawin yun. So ako yung tao na curious palagi sa mga bagay. I do my own research kasi hindi lang dapat na nakatapos ka sa pag-aaral, kailangan pag-aralan mo kasi ang buhay is lifetime learning yan. So ayun, so if you want to be successful in life, kailangan gawin mo yung mga bagay na kung paano maging successful and gumawa ka ng paraan para ma-achieve mo yung goals and dreams mo sa buhay.